In this video, I will show you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Play Store on your device and just make sure you're logged into the correct account. So you can check that by pressing the profile icon in the top right hand corner and making sure you're logged into the correct account. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is open up the Play Games app on your device. So if you just go ahead and search for this is the Play Games app here. Go ahead and open this up. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three dots and then press onto settings. From here, what you're going to want to do is come down to the section about profile and privacy and look for the option that says automatically sign in to supported games. Now, this isn't available in every country, but if it is available, all you want to do is go ahead and turn that option on. What this does, it basically means that every time you launch a compatible Google Play game, it's going to magically sync with your account, which of course makes switching devices or accounts an absolute breeze. So that is how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.